Mother's CMX Ceramic Trim Restore and Coat. Coatings, waxes, and sealants protect our paint, but unpainted exterior rubber, plastic, and vinyl can often be overlooked, allowing time and the elements to take their toll. Whether it's your daily commuter or weekend driver, these surfaces need protection. Mother's CMX Ceramic Trim Restore and Coat instantly reveals that dark, factory-new color with superior ceramic richness. Utilizing a uniquely acrylic silicone dioxide Nano-Quartz blend, you'll be left with an ultra-durable, super-hydrophobic, heat-resistant protection barrier, preventing further deterioration caused by sun, smog, ozone, water, chemical, and airborne contaminants. Coating and caring for your vehicle has never been more affordable or easier. And remember, there's no shine like Mother's.